AliExpress is huge, a vast digital marketplace that connects buyers and sellers from all over the world. It's like a giant online store, offering an incredible variety of items. They have millions of products, ranging from everyday essentials to unique finds. You can find almost anything on AliExpress, making it a one-stop shop for all your needs. From clothes to electronics, it's all there, ready to be delivered to your doorstep. Over 150 million people shop on AliExpress, making it a bustling hub of activity. That's a lot of potential customers and a lot of opportunities for sellers. Many people around the world trust AliExpress, thanks to its reliable service and wide selection. It's known for affordable prices, making it accessible to a wide range of shoppers. AliExpress is a great place to start a business, offering a platform for entrepreneurs to reach a global audience. You don't need to make your own products, you can source them directly from AliExpress. You can use AliExpress to find products to sell, making it easier to start your own online store. Let's see how. Dropshipping is a popular way to make money online. It's simple and efficient. You sell products without holding inventory, which means no storage costs. Here's how it works with AliExpress. First, find a product that catches your eye. Choose a product you want to sell from AliExpress. There are thousands of options. Make sure it's something people want. Research market trends to ensure demand. Next, list it on your store. Write a compelling description and set a competitive price. Create an online store or list the product on platforms like eBay or Amazon. These platforms have huge customer bases. When a customer orders, you order the product from AliExpress. It's seamless. Then, AliExpress ships the product directly to your customer. No middleman needed. You keep the profit margin, the difference between your selling price and the cost. Dropshipping is great because it's low risk and flexible. You don't buy inventory up front, so there's no risk of unsold stock. You only pay for products when customers order, ensuring you never overspend. Affiliate marketing is another way to earn with AliExpress. It's a simple and effective method to generate income online. You promote AliExpress products and earn a commission on each sale. The more you promote, the more you can potentially earn. It's like being a salesperson, but online. You don't need to handle any inventory or shipping. First, join the AliExpress affiliate program. It's easy and quick to get started. Sign up for free on their website. Then, choose products that you think will appeal to your audience. Find AliExpress products you like and want to promote. There are millions of products to choose from. Next, get your unique link. This link tracks all the sales you generate. AliExpress gives you a special link for each product. Finally, share and earn. The more you share, the higher your chances of earning. Share your link on your website, social media, or with friends. Use creative ways to reach a larger audience. When someone buys using your link, you get a commission. Affiliate marketing is flexible and can fit into your schedule. You can promote any AliExpress product you want. From electronics to fashion, the options are endless. It's a great way to earn passive income. Start today and watch your earnings grow over time. Section 4. Other ways to profit with AliExpress. Dropshipping and affiliate marketing are popular, but there are other ways to make money with AliExpress. Bulk buying and reselling. Buy products in bulk at lower prices. Then resell them individually for a profit. Create and sell print-on-demand products. Find suppliers on AliExpress offering print-on-demand services. Design your own products and sell them online. Remember, research is key. Find a method that interests you and learn everything about it. Section 5. Conclusion: start your AliExpress journey. AliExpress is a powerful platform. It offers many opportunities to make money online. Whether you choose dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or another method, there's potential for everyone. Start exploring AliExpress today. Research different products and business models. With hard work and dedication, you can turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality.